Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for Prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about the widely discussed topic in India, that is Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act of 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act was formed in the backdrop of repealing of Article 35A from the Constitution. Please note from the point of Prelims perspective that so far Article 370 has been abrogated and not repealed. And this act provides for the reorganization of the state of Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories, that is Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir with legislature and a Union Territory of Ladakh without legislature. The J&K Assembly will be a 107-member assembly. Of these, 24 seats will be reserved to the Pak-occupied Kashmir region, which is currently under the occupation of Pakistan. The third point is that the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir can nominate two members to give representation to the women if they are not adequately represented. This is the first time that a representation has been given particularly to women in Legislative Assembly. So far, the Governor can nominate one member, that too from the Anglo-Indian community. And this has also been repealed recently. The other points in the Act are: the State Assembly can legislate on all matters of the state and concurrent list in the 7th schedule of the Constitution, except the police and the public order. This will be the second state where the Assembly cannot legislate on a subject. The first state was Delhi, where they cannot legislate on subjects like land, police and public order. But now Jammu and Kashmir is also added into this list, where public and police order related legislation cannot be carried out by the State Legislative Assembly. And it also prescribes for the formation of two advisory committees for distribution of seats and liabilities of corporation between the two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and also issues related to the generation and supply of electricity and water. It also prescribes a committee to resolve the issues related to the State Financial Corporation. Through this Reorganization Act, 106 central laws will now be applicable to both the UTs of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, including the Aadhaar Act and the Right to Education Act of 2009. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act of 2019. It repeals Article 370 from the Indian Constitution. Union Territory Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir can legislate on all matters in the state list. The correct answer is D. As we have just discussed, it only abrogates Article 370 and not repeal. Therefore, the statement 1 is wrong. Similarly, statement 2 is also wrong, as we have just discussed that matters related to police and public order cannot be discussed or legislated by the State Assembly. Therefore, the correct answer is D, none. Thank you.